Hi, first grade. Today we're going to continue with our making 10. So let's begin. But first, we are going to do some skip counting by twos. When we skip count by twos, we can also find even or odd. My even numbers are my black numbers. Do you see that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 are even. That means my blue numbers are odd. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Those are odd. One way we could do our skip counting is we whisper one number and say the other one loud. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You could also try it this way. I can't use my cursor, the one I show you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Remember, our 2s, 4s, 6, 8, 10, and our numbers that end that way are our even numbers. And the numbers that end with a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, those are our odd numbers. On with our lesson. We're making 10 to add. So here is our 9. I know that if I add some numbers to 9, I can make it a 10. So let's do that. I'm going to break my 2 apart. 1 and 1 is 2. So 9 and 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Good job. Now let's take a look at our next problem down here. I have 6 plus 9 and 9 plus 6 because order doesn't matter with addition. I need to take some numbers from my 6 and bring them over to my 9 so that I can add with 10s because that is easier. So here we go. I broke the 6 up into 1 and 5. By breaking the 6 up in 1 and 5, 9 and 1 is 10 and I have 5 left over. So you can see 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 right here plus my 5 that's left over is 15. So that means that 6 plus 9 equals 15 and 9 plus 6 equals 15. Let's start with a new problem. We have 9 plus 7, which is the same as 7 plus 9. Let's break this 7 apart and give some numbers to the 9. So when I break the 7 apart, I get 6 and 1. I'm going to give the 1 to the 9 so that I have 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So I'm going to put that 10 here, and I have 6 left over. 10 plus 6 equals 16. That means that 9 plus 7 equals 16, and 7 plus 9 equals 16. Let's look at another example. 4 plus 9, and that's the same as 9 plus 4. Remember our fact families. So I have to give some of the numbers from the 4 to the 9 in order to make 10. Here we go. I had to do it in my head and think about it. We have to start using our head and thinking about this. So what I knew was I can break this up into 1 and 3. I gave one of them here. So then I have 10 plus 3 equals 13. That means 9 plus 4 equals 13, and 4 plus 9 equals 13. Let's look down here. 3 plus 9, 9 plus 3. I have to break the 3 apart in my head. I know 9 plus 1 is 10, so I have to take 1 away from the 3. That's going to leave me with a 2. Right. What is 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2 is 12. That means 3 plus 9, and 9 plus 3 are also 12. Let's look up here. So we did a couple in our head. Now we're doing 8s. So let's take a look at this. When I do 8, I can't give it just 1, then it would only be 9. I have to give it 2. So let's break my 6 apart into 2 and 4. So now 8 plus 2 is 10. That means the 4 left over will go over here. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. 7 plus 8 and 8 plus 7. So from up here, I know that I have to give the 8 2. 8 and 2 is 10. Here's 8. I have 2 fingers folded. So if I take 2 away from here, I have 5 left over. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. That means 7 plus 8 and 8 plus 7 is also 15. We will continue practicing our decomposing to add. So until next time, have a good day.